In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give classes in Google Meet. We'll walk through the full process, from getting your meeting ready, to managing your students during class, to wrapping things up smoothly. By the end, you'll feel confident running an online lesson using Google Meet. First, let's talk about getting your class set up. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Meet. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for teaching. On the main page, you'll see an option to start a new meeting. Click that and choose whether you want to start the meeting right away or create it for later. If you're scheduling a future class, it's usually best to create it through Google Calendar so you can add the date, time, and all of your students' email addresses in one place. That way, they'll automatically receive an invite with the Google Meet link. Once you've created the meeting, copy the meeting link and share it with your students if they're not already invited through Calendar. You can send it through email, your learning platform, or a class group chat. Remind students to join a few minutes early to check their audio and video. Now, let's enter the meeting. When you join, Google Meet will first show you a preview of your camera and microphone. This is a good time to make sure your background looks appropriate, your lighting is decent, and your microphone level is working. If you're in a noisy place, consider using headphones with a microphone for clearer sound. After you click Join, you'll be inside the class. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see controls to mute or unmute your microphone and turn your camera on or off. For most classes, you'll want your microphone on while you're speaking and your camera on to make the session feel more personal. To teach effectively, you'll probably need to share your screen. Look for the Present or Share Screen button. Click it and choose whether to share your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. Sharing a specific window is often best for slides, while sharing a tab is great for videos. Once you're presenting, narrate clearly what students are seeing and move at a steady pace. During the class, use the chat to share links, instructions, or quick reminders. Encourage students to mute their microphones when they're not speaking to reduce background noise. You can also use the Raise Hand feature, if available, to manage questions in an orderly way. If a student is disruptive or there's an audio issue, you can mute participants from the People panel. This helps keep the class focused. Just remember to explain what you're doing, so students understand why they were muted. When you're ready to end the session, stop sharing your screen first so you can return to the main Meet view. Give a quick recap of what you covered and let students know about any assignments or upcoming classes. Then, click the Leave Call button to end your participation. If you're the host, consider staying a few extra seconds to ensure everyone has left or to answer final questions. That's the basic process for giving classes in Google Meet. Set up the meeting, share the link, join, and check your audio and video. Present your materials, manage your students, and close the class clearly. With a bit of practice, this will start to feel as natural as teaching in a physical classroom.